Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the glide bracket in a Hotpoint refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new glide bracket. The glide brackets support the ice bucket and the chiller shelf. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it's broken and no longer stays in place. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. Push up and remove the ice bucket assembly. Slide out the chiller shelf. The glide bracket we're replacing is on the left side. It's held in place by the two 1/4-inch screws. In order to get to the rear screw, we're going to drop down the auger motor mounting panel. Take the three 1/4-inch screws out. Lower the auger mounting panel down. Careful, it's heavy. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, take the rear screw out. Now we can unscrew the front one and remove the old glide bracket. This is the old glide bracket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new left side glide bracket and secure it with the two 1/4-inch screws. Install the auger panel on the three mounting brackets. Secure it with the three 1/4-inch screws. Slide in the chiller shelf. Install the ice bucket. Now, when we're done, we can close the freezer door and plug the fridge back in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.